everybody, welcome to Craft a Story. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate the time that you spend with me. So it is the last Wednesday of the month, and my aim going forward is to have one finger painted little painting done and showing you how I do it every last Wednesday of every month. So I was going through some of my goodies, and I found this card that I finger painted years and years ago. I'm not kidding you guys if I say 12 years ago. I don't know why I still have it. I still have this card, and it was just sitting in a box. So when I pulled it out, I thought, oh, I'll do a bunny rabbit. And this is a greeting card that I had made at the time, and I put the little piece of paper that I painted on some green cardstock, and then I put it as a card topper on another card with this cute little bow. So that was my inspiration for this month's Finger Paint Whimsy, and that is the hashtag, you guys. If you want to join into this hashtag, I've called it, I'm hosting it, it's called a hashtag Finger Paint Whimsy. So if you want to go ahead and do a finger paint, there is a theme this month. It's going to be, or this month going forward, it will be a bunny. It doesn't have to be, maybe you want to do Easter. I know it's not Easter, but a bunny or woodlands animals or anything like that. So there's no rules. As long as you're finger painting, I always allow myself some paint and then one other medium. And I typically will choose these Uni Posca pens, and also typically will choose the black and white. That may change in future paintings, but for today, that's what I used. Some paint, these two markers, and that's how I came up with this adorable little bunny. So if you'd like to stick around for another few minutes, on the other side of this explanation, introduction, if you want to call it, I guess, I will show you how I painted this little tag with the purple bunny on it. And it is the same as this little guy. With this one, I just put some I took my pen and did some flicks on the tail, like, like that. But you don't have to do that. And I think on this one, I tried to put in some sun and clouds and look like the bunny was sitting in a field somewhere. So stick around and I'll show you how I did this. Thanks so much.